Okay, welcome back. We're going to look at organizing health and safety, okay? And again, I don't need to do a lot of talking on this, right? Because you should now be familiar with a lot of my videos, okay? Now again, excuse the red because it seems to flicker when I upload it, but please do modify that if you can. Okay. Now all this you can read for yourself, you don't need me to read it through to you. Okay, so I'm just going to step through it. Again, remember to extract the information, make it your own, read it. You cannot guess it, you must know it. Okay. Here you have a sample of risk assessment. You need to write out a risk assessment for yourself. Make sure you are familiar with filling in the forms. Know how to do it. Okay? Get it done. Sorry about that. Right, my apologies for the phone going off, okay? I'm not going to rerun the video. What I will do is, if I could edit out the phone, I will. If I can't, I will just bear with that for the time being. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.